Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to investigate the forces acting on a falling skydiver. Let's click Go to see the skydiver dive and look at the force arrows. We're going to pause it after 40 seconds. So the upward force is increasing as well as the velocity. After 40 seconds, the velocity reaches its maximum. What is causing the downward force on the skydiver? Yes, it's the gravity. Predict how the skydiver's terminal velocity would be affected if she were laying flat. Absolutely, since the contact area will increase, thus the air resistance or the drag forces increases, and therefore the terminal velocity decreases. Let's select the situation where the skydiver is flying horizontally and click play. Notice the curve. Our predictions are correct. The terminal velocity decreases when the skydiver is lying horizontally, and now it reached a constant velocity, as you can see right here. Now let's click pause and choose the last one to open the parachute. We're going to click play and watch the value of drag as the parachute opens. The velocity significantly decreases when the parachute opens. Thinking about the forces of weight, drag, and terminal velocity. How does the parachute enables the skydivers to land safely? Good analysis! When the parachute opens, the drag force increases, reducing the velocity until it reaches a terminal velocity or a constant velocity when the drag forces balances with the weight force, and thus the terminal velocity reduces to the minimum, enabling the safe landing of the skydiver.